Is it, can you check the top just in case?
Yep.
Okay, what's up guys? We're gonna go check out the Quadplex. Come, that doesn't make sense. Does this look okay? Can you hear me? What's up guys? I'm gonna show you, nope. What's up guys? I'm gonna show you the Quadplex that we bought a few months ago, show you an update, maybe walk through a couple of the situations that we've had while we've owned it, and this is kind of like the in-between of the construction process. And then I wanna show you guys as we keep on, like we've got probably 2 months left of renovation on this, and finally show you the end product once we're all done. So come check it out. Okay, so one of the things that I have to make sure to do every time I show up is kind of go look in the back, because of when we've had a lot of homeless issues and break-ins. And so when I walk here, one, I'm always carrying the piece. And then I basically do one good check to make sure no one's here. I usually go by, I'll kick the doors, double check, let people know that I'm here, and maybe they'll run out through the back window or something every time if someone's living there. And then I do a quick pop over here to see if anybody's sleeping on our back porch or sleeping in the back. Just want to make sure that no one's sleeping there. Sometimes they camp out, but I think we've handled quite a bit of the situation. Now it's time to get these doors opened up, and then I can show you the rest of the property. So one of the things that we realize is that I guess homeless people and thieves have Phillips heads, and they come prepared when they break into places. So what we ended up doing is getting a star tip. I call it a star tip, and I don't know what its professional name is. I don't know if you can see that. And so far they haven't broken in since we changed out to these star tip screws. So star tips, get the star tips instead of Phillips head. Oh gosh. That was a struggle. All right, so here's the inside of the first unit, and this was probably the worst unit. The person that had been living here was smoking up a storm. So it was almost completely brown in here by the time we got it. So as you can see, we've got AC units that are sitting here. They need to get removed because we don't want someone breaking in and stealing them. What we did when we first got this place was that we basically gutted as much as we could. So we took out this entire kitchen. There was a wall right here. We knocked down the wall, built this pony wall, and what's gonna happen here is that there's gonna be a wraparound kitchen. And so you're gonna have countertop right here. It's gonna be almost like an island, especially for this 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have dishwasher, sink, we're gonna have a stovetop, and then refrigerator. And we have to do a couple things with the electrical to try and get that layout just right. But it's gonna look really good. The cabinets are getting made right now, so they should be in about a week and a half and get fully installed. Maybe I'll put up a picture of what we're planning in here for the color scheme with the floors, the backsplash, the cabinets. We're kind of considering like more of like I think it's a gray. I'm a little bit colorblind, so it's hard for me to tell the colors, but I think it's like a grayish purple, maybe a little bit with a slight blue. I don't think, we're not gonna do uppers. This is kind of the style right now, but we're not gonna do upper cabinets. We had larger expenses on the foundation and other things, so we have to pull from somewhere else. And so we're just gonna do really nice bottom cabinets. It's gonna be enough countertop space. all the appliances, and then we're gonna do some really nice shelving that's just very simple and aesthetically pleasing. It's gonna be great for people, like you don't need a whole lot of storage, but you will have bottom storage and it's just gonna look good. So now that we've talked about the kitchen, let's go move into the bedrooms. Also, we got brand new HVAC. This was the only unit that had HVAC left in it. I don't know why the other units didn't have HVAC, but this one did. And so we did replace the heater. We moved it up to the in the attic. We moved the heater to the attic, and then we changed the location for the AC. But we still kept most of the old ducts. I'll show you where the heater was. Or actually the old heater is still in here. So this was the ancient piece of equipment, and we got this removed and we got the brand new one put in the attic. This is going to be a very good spacious bedroom for someone. And then we got second bedroom for this individual, whoever it is. We got a closet, nice closet in here. Nothing much to see. Bedrooms are pretty boring. Here's the bathroom. So we gutted this entire bathroom, and besides those lights, those need to get gutted. I don't know why they're not. And so we put brand new bathtub. We're gonna have a nice vanity, nice mirror. We're gonna do tile on the floor, tile on the backsplash. It's gonna look really high end, honestly. It's gonna look pretty dang good once we're done with it. So we have another unit just like this, 2-bed, 1-bath. It's the complete opposite, just flip-flopped, but there's a utility room in between that, so come check that out. Okay, so this is the utility room, and it did have, it had a tiny water heater up here that was used for the washer and dryers that were here, that were gone by the time we got it. What we decided to do is relocate that tiny water heater over to this side, because there was 2 original water heaters that give hot water to both of these units on each side. The ones that we just showed you, the 2 bedrooms. So they are larger water heaters, and there's going to be a little tiny one right here. We are also going to have washer and dryers here for all the tenants. This is going to be a communal location, and it's going to be a great space. We're going to have nice flooring. It's going to look good. It's going to be awesome because we don't have washers and dryers in the units. We couldn't figure out how to make that functional. So we're just utilizing what this unit has. I gotta handle a contractor right now. We're trying to get the exterior doors replaced, and so I've been trying to find someone that's good enough to come and do it. And so someone just got back to me, and I need them to come replace 5 exterior doors and prep all the interior doors. We've got the 2-bedroom over there, the utility room, and then the second 2-bedroom. So this is gonna be unit B, I guess. And then we have the 1-1s all the way down at the end. Really good, cozy units. And I'm really excited what we did when we renovated this, because it's made it so much more spacious. Okay, so here's the 1-1s. Come check it out. This is going to be perfect for a single individual that's just wanting to live close to downtown. And I'm really proud of this kitchen. If you would have been here before we renovated it, essentially there was a wall that went right here, came like this, and you had a little tiny entry point to the very crammed kitchen where there was a sink, a dishwasher, and then a fridge. And you can imagine just this little tiny space. Well, we said, yeah, that's not happening. So what we did was we knocked it down. We decided that this is all gonna be the kitchen. So there was a water heater right here and a giant closet. We decided to remove this wall, move the water heater from here all the way to the very end, inside this closet, make a new closet, and then we're gonna have fridge, stovetop, dishwasher, sink. It's gonna be really nice. It opened up this entire place, made it look really good, and now someone's gonna enjoy a very, very nice kitchen. We are gonna have uppers, we're gonna have lowers, uppers, and yeah, really, really proud of this unit. And we have the bathroom in here. So, brand new bathtub. We got it all drywalled out. We just got all drywall hung recently because that's what we just got done. So it is drying up right now. The tape and the mud is drying up right now. And then it's very dark in here, but here's the bedroom. Get a double light. So here's the bedroom, and this is something that we had to do. If you come check out this, we were not planning on this to happen, but we had to cut out a lot of this concrete and pour brand new concrete with the retaining walls because the foundation was so bad here and it had sunken in, it was just dropped down, and we had to do this practically all throughout the entire quadplex. So that was not fun, that was not prepared for. We did not have that in the budget, but it's still gonna work out. So this property is an incredible property to get. We are very, very fortunate. It's in a great location. It's really close to the downtown. We're gonna get brand new windows. The exterior is about to get painted. We're also gonna get the inside painted here soon, once the drywall gets textured. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. The foundation on this was really, really bad, and so we had piers put all the way around the entire property. I think it was, if I remember correctly, 21 piers were put in, which was not cheap at all, but better safe than sorry. And there's still gonna be movement just in our area. That's just what you have to deal with, is foundation issues all the time. We also had rot all throughout this entire thing. So we got brand new trim and soffits put in, and like I said, it's about to get painted, which is gonna make this look so much better here in the next week, 2 weeks. Get this red brick covered up, even though sometimes red brick looks good, but we had to get, I don't know if you can tell the difference between these bricks. There were AC units poking out, and people were breaking in by pushing them in, squeezing through a hole in the wall. So we decided to get all this brick back up. So there's a little bit of a different texture. Still gonna look good. First time ever doing brick. I think it turned out all right. Really excited about this project. Basically, the way it worked out was someone reached out to me, said, hey, they had a property that they wanted to sell. We bought it for around about $250. And total value in this property was, once it's all renovated and once it's fully leased out, is around about $505,000. So that's what we were appraised at, and we're putting about $120,000 into it as long as we stay on budget. So yeah, really excited about this deal. Happy we got it, blessed that we got it. So I'm really excited. In a few months, well, hopefully not a few, maybe like a few weeks, I get to show you another update of how far we've progressed with this property. And also, I'm excited to show you the finished product before we get it fully leased out. This is a go-to spot, and I know it's gonna get leased out really, really fast. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, do all that fun stuff to really help support the channel. Let's get it.